So this is the pound yen analysis for Tuesday the 3rd of April. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go here on the pound against the yen. Now, on the pound against the yen, what we did see was we did seem to find support here in around that 48.80. From which we had a progression here to the upside, posted a higher low, broke beyond the 200 period. Would these have been? Yes, we broke above the 200 period moving average. We had a progression to the upside beyond the 49.60s. Didn't quite get up towards our 49.78, from which we did see the strong sales side momentum return to the market. So we've got our highs here, got a lower high here as well. We saw a strong progression to the downside, breaking beyond the 49.10, and we did see prices move beyond the 48.61, progressing all the way down towards the very next major level we've got here marked out in red of the 48.46. From the 48.46, we did see bullish buy side momentum come into the market for a retest of the 400 period moving average. Brief sell side momentum return to the market, a retracement from that 400 period moving average down towards our 48.4. Down towards our 48.61. Didn't quite get down towards that 48.46 for another retest, and now we've broken back above the 400 period average. Now we've come pretty close to a test of the 49.10, so we do have to see whether the 49.10 does hold as resistance. We are seeing this recovery here. There remains a possibility of seeing further sell side momentum come into this market. This may just be a retracement before seeing further sell side momentum return to this market, so we do have to be aware of that. We'll look to see how price react towards our 49.10. Where we do see that sell side momentum bring us back down towards our 48.61, but ultimately we're looking for the major level of the 48.46. If we do see the progression to the downside beyond the 48.46, we're then looking for prices to move down towards the 47.35. A move beyond 47.35. We do have, it is a major level marked out here in red, but if we do see a strong progression here to the downside beyond the 47.35, we're then looking for prices to move down towards that 147 and eventually back down towards that 146.38, 146.50. If, however, we do see the progression to the upside, we do see if we are able to break and hold above the 149.10. So if we do break above and hold above the 149.10, we're then looking for a move beyond possibly the 200 period moving average sitting in around at 149.30, and we're looking for a move back up towards that 149.78, major level marked out here in red, from which we could potentially see sell side momentum return to the market. But if we do break above and hold above the 49.78, we're then looking for progression towards that 150.56, major level marked out here in blue to the upside. We'll have a brief look at the daily chart just to see how prices are developing here on the pound against the yen. As we were saying from our previous videos, we've had a strong progression to the downside, even though we've seen this recovery to the upside. Has not had the conviction, suggesting that the bulls are in complete control of the market. There suggests there is a bit of a bearish overhang in this market at present. The degree of indecisiveness, as indicated by the bearish candles, the deep retracement, suggesting that, as I was saying, the bulls don't have complete control, and there is a possibility of seeing further retracement, possibly posting a higher low for progression to the upside. But for now, there remains a somewhat bearish overhang in this market, and there is a possibility of breaking down further to the downside. And with that said, that wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.